Hi, short video to talk to you about this vintage Power Rangers Time Force Chrono Morpher by Bandai. So it comes with two AAA batteries. I don't know how much power is left in them. They are new, but they're Amazon basic batteries, so might not last long. So it comes with battery cover and a strap. The strap, sadly, this was in a loft for many years, has been chewed by a mouse or some other rodent, but I'll include it anyway. So the battery compartment, it's nice and clean. Looks like it's had very slight, zoom in, corrosion in the past. I can do this one-handed. I won't put the battery cover on it. So it's just to show you working. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.